What's up guys, Niall here from Nano's Tech, and today I'm going to be reviewing the 2018 iPad Pro, as I think it's the best option if you're looking for an iPad Pro, as you can get this for around £300 cheaper than the new 2020 iPad Pro. The price plus the fact that the 2020 iPad Pro isn't actually much better than the 2018 model. The main thing that has changed is the camera, which adds an ultra-wide and a LiDAR sensor. But let's be real, is it really worth the extra money? Another thing that has changed is the processor. It has the new A12Z Bionic, but it's said to be not actually that much faster. There are many places where you can get a really good quality iPad Pro from. My recommendation is Apple Refurbished because they changed the outer shell and the battery, so that's a great bonus, and you get a 1-year warranty. If you want to learn more about that, I will leave my video where I unbox an Apple Refurbished iPad Pro in the description below. Anyways, let's get into the review. So I really enjoyed this first month of the iPad Pro. I literally use it for everything, as it has a bigger display than my phone, which makes viewing content a lot more enjoyable. It also made me more creative, especially with the Logitech Crayon, video link in description below. The screen is also really color accurate and beautiful, and what makes the content more enjoyable is the speakers. They are quite loud, but that isn't the impressive bit. The impressive bit is the sound quality. It sounds really good, and I've listened to some music on it and the clarity blows me away. Like, you can actually tell the difference pretty easily. So, battery life. Apple claim it can give you 10 hours of battery. I think that is possible if you aren't using it for heavy tasks like gaming or video editing. The iPad Pro is very powerful. It hasn't struggled to deal with any of the tasks. Like, I use video editing, and I kind of expected that because the A12X Bionic, which is a really powerful chip. Now, Face ID. Let's just say it works great in portrait mode, but otherwise a lot of the times I find myself rescanning my face multiple times. Maybe because I haven't fully gotten used to it yet, but that's the experience so far. I have also really enjoyed iPad OS and its features like multitasking. I find myself using that a lot. This can be helpful, for example, if you're comparing two products with each other, and you can use split screen. Another feature that I use a lot is the drag and drop feature, which basically allows you to drop an image from the web and just drag it onto your note or file. The design is also great. The minimal bezels, the extra thinness, making it a lot lighter. But this could in the future be a problem, as many people have said the iPad Pro could be susceptible to bending. To prevent bending, you should probably pick up a good case that has a strong structure. I'll leave some options that look good in the description below. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay safe. Peace.